I inserted 102. Employee name is Lily. Employee salary 15,000. Employee address. Insert. Okay, 2 records are inserted successfully. So insertion done. Now employee table inserted. My requirement is I want to implement delete and update functionalities. Backend means select the record, delete. No. Front end, if I want to delete, I want to delete that record. Up to now, whatever steps we have to followed previous class. First, I created employee model class. I created. Make migrations and migrate. After that, register the model in admin interface. Tarvata, I created one file populate.py script with packer module to generate the fake data and insert into database. Now, fifth one, view function to retrieve data and display by using the template file. What is the file name? Index.html file. Last step, I inserted data. To insert the data, I want to display one form to enter data from the end user. I displayed one form, yes. For that, which form I'm using? Model forms. Then view is the responsible to insert the data. Form object creation and send it to the template. These steps we are followed up to now what we completed in the last Friday session. Now, seventh one, delete operation. I want to delete the record. How to delete it? For that, view is the responsible to write the logic. Go to the views.py file. Sir, front end page, check this. Once I'm clicking on delete, it is pointing to the hash symbol. Once I clicking on this, I want to number name ID is display cheleda. 1 minute. Go to the atom. I want to display ID. So admin. Admin is the responsible to display those things. ID. Come to here. Refresh. Yeah. IDs are there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. Suppose the Lily 53. Daniel's ID number 1. Sorry. Once I clicking on this Daniel, I want to send one ID. First, that ID record I want to get it. How to read the records means view is the responsible. Model name dot objects dot all will get all the records. But ఇక్కడ I'm not deleting all. A particular first record, second, third, fourth, particular record. Go to the views. Def delete underscore view request comma id provided there. Class name dot objects dot what is the method? Get because a particular id I can require not all records. Whenever I'm calling the function, I am passing which one? ID I am passing. This ID is coming here. Once a delete button, this Daniel ID 1, this ID I am passing to the your backend. Then I am getting this first ID, I am getting the employee stored into one variable. The variable is any variable employee. Now delete this. Employee dot delete is the command. Return redirect. Go to the main page. Completed. This is the view. This view, one URL is required. Go to URLs. Delete view. Delete. It contains one ID. What is that ID? Integer ID we are passing. Because once you call this function is accepted one argument. That argument is ID. What is that ID? I am passing this. Where is that? Index. Delete is pointing to hash. Instead of a hash, which record you want to deleted? The URL, comma, curling brace, current employee ID we are passing. So once clicking on this button, current employee ID I am passing to the delete URL. So it will goes to the URLs. Yes, the delete URL is there. The particular record will be deleted. How? It will goes to this function views. ID is coming. That ID record I am getting deleted. Now save this. Refresh. Delete. Delete. All are gone. అదిగోండి only Radhika Lily. Go to back and refresh. How many objects are there? Only 2 employees are there. All will be deleted. So that is the delete functionality. Just get that object, delete it. Delete is the predefined method. Deleted. URLs. This URL updated in index. Index lo update that one. That is the delete operation. Done, completed. Last one, update. So insert type in the retrieve done, deletion done, update. Sir, now once clicking on this update button, అసలు రికార్డ్స్ లేవు కదా. Stop this. Py populate.py 15 records inserted. Run the server. Come to this, refresh. Okay, done. So now once you click on update button, I want to display one form because I want to update the details. If I click on Radhika, I want to display Radhika details. If you want to this, if I want to click on this Jenkins details, I want to display current employee, which ID I am clicking on that employee will be displayed with this form. Insert form alage same form. Then enter the data. Instead of insert, I can change update record. Okay, for that, view is the responsible views.py. Now come to view. Def update underscore view. Inside the request comma one ID. Which employee I'm clicking on that ID I'm passing here. Read the record. Same story. A particular ID. Which one you want to update that record. Now I have to give the form. Form equal to employee form inside instance. Instance means current class object, current object. Which object? Employee. What is the employee? This ID. So current class employee form, I have to send it to the end user. Return request, same thing. But instead of insert, give one page HTML. What it is? Update.html file. So whatever ID you are passing means which employee you are clicking on this one. Okay, suppose Radhika anukondi. This ID will be passing into here. Get the employee details. The current employee will be displayed to the form. So you can require దీనికి ఒక URL is required. URLs. URL also same. Update particular ID. Instead of delete, update. Come to index. Delete బదులు slash update slash existing employee curly brace emp dot id. Now, అంటే ఇంకా not implemented. I will write the HTML page is required now. HTML page is not there. Template does not exist. Which template? Update.html. Now I will implement. So views low. This is the code. Next URLs. దానికి ఒక URL. This is the URL. ఈ URL give to the index.html. Go to index. Update. TD గిడి ఎందుకు వద్దులే. Anchor tag. అది update. ఇప్పుడు ఫైనల్గా once clicking on that HTML page, it is asking update.html. So now update.html. Take one HTML file. Templates, test app, base index insert. Right click, new file, update.html. test here base.html employee update form update record. Radhika ఇదిగోండి current employee ID 101 Radhika 15 Vijayawada. Update record employee update form. Insert employee insert form insert record. Then దానికి came. Now first record. I want to update Vijayawada as Bangalore. If I click on update record, is it updated or no? Click this, come to here, refresh. It is not updated because in your update form view, just you are displaying views. Only form, the user provided data form will be displayed. We are not written the logic. Now I will implement that one. Yeah, we have to save. If employee want to update the record, then view is the responsible to update the record. If request.method equal to post, save the form. So go to the views. ఇదిగోండి employee. This is the current employee details. Okay. If request dot method equal to post method, because once insert the data, clicking on update button, post request. Now the form, I want to override the form with user provided data, employee form, request dot, what can I use? Post. So this form is current employee details. This form is user updated, yeah, updated information, whatever information. Minimum validation form dot is underscore valid. Minimum validations. If it is okay, save this. Form dot save. Now it will be saved. Return, redirect, main page. Save. Now successfully done. I have to provide that Radhika Vijayawada 15,000. I want to change salary as 18,000 and address is Bangalore. Click on update. Now is it changes? Not changes. Successfully changes. What is happened? Is it changes? But see this. What is happened? It is new record inserted, not changes. 101 Radhika 15,000. Latest record 101 Radhika 18,000 Bangalore. I'm not inserting. I want to change existing. There, what is the mistake in this one? In this code. Whenever user provided data, form valid saved అంటే ఒక న్యూ రికార్డ్ ఇన్సర్టెడ్ నాట్ అప్డేటింగ్ ఎగ్జిస్టింగ్ వన్. Existing one I want to update mean compulsory you can give the instance equal to employee. The meaning is current object. Current employee object will be updated, not inserted. Now this time you can check it. Now same 15,000 Radhika 101 kada update. Now 103 Radhika salary 18,000 Delhi update. ఇదిగోండి 103 Radhika 18,000 Delhi. Previous record is available there. So instance equal to can provided updated. If you want to delete, you can delete the records. So deletion possible, insertion possible, updation possible. That is called as CRUD operations by using FBV, function based only. The story of FBV, CRUD operations. Next type is CBV. Types of views two are there already, we know. FBV and CBV. Up to now, day 1 to today, we are discussing all our function based views only. Now onwards, we have to go with CBVs. Sir, what is FBV? What is CBV means? FBVs are old function based views are. CBVs are latest. In the Django 1.3 version onwards, they introduced CBVs. FBVs is the best, CBV is the best. In real time, commonly everyone using CBVs, class based reviews, not FBV. The thing is, CBV is very simple and easy to implementation. But FBVs are more powerful when compared with CBV because in the function based we have to write complete code logic. And first I'm getting employee, I'm getting current instance. Okay, if it is the post method, I'm taking employee, current one, valid, save, redirect, step by step everything will be there. Class based view, this much code is there, only 2 lines. But every work will be completed. How internal it is going, we don't know. CBVs are very simple, easy to implementation, but most powerful thing FBVs only because FBV, we know each and every functionality, we have to write the code. CBV will only 2 lines and then. But work is done, insertion, creation, update, delete, everything. How internal working, we don't know. But here we should have complete clarity about the functionality. CBV meant for common requirement. For example, sir, there is one table is there, employee table. Only one table, employee table is there. అందులో some records are there, read the records. Then CBV is the best one. I have 2 tables are there. One is employee, second one student. From these 2 tables, I want to read the data, complex operations. Then CBV not suitable. Compulsory we can go with FBV only. So which operations are possible? Simple operations, easy to, then CBV. The operations which are not possible, compulsory we can go to the FBV only. Internally, these CBVs are also converted to FBV only. So simple operations are there, CBV recommended. In the real-time projects also, everyone using CBVs, not FBV. For example, generally, what is the meaning of CBV means? Sometimes if you need to go to the KFC, generally we need to go to this KFCs. Wednesday, they have to provided some offers. Okay. Sir, suppose if you go to KFC, you can order this bucket లేకపోతే this bucket లేదంటే some popcorn ఇది combo, something you can order. See, this is the KFC images are nothing but CBVs because they have to give in the fixed size of these things and taste, everything should be fixed. Suppose you are asking, sir, I don't want this much of pieces, I want small pieces. Some gravy is required, some masala is required, or light masala, like that, not possible. Based on requirement, they are not prepared. Whatever available there, you can buy and you can eat it. So This KFC, these things are nothing but your CBV. Whatever available that you can use based on your requirement, it is not working. For example, if you can buy 1 kg chicken, go to your room, you can prepare yourself. Then based on requirement, you can do anything. High masala, na, less masala, na, if you want to include tomatoes, what you are, everything based on requirement. That is nothing but what it is, FBV. And FBV, anything is possible based on requirement, you can do those things. But KFC chicken is CBV. Whatever available, you can buy and eat it. Once you prepare your home, that is called as FBV. Simple thing, one more is there. Suppose you can buy one ready-made shirt. Go to the showroom. You have to select the shirt. Whatever is available, you can buy it. This is nothing but what it is, CBV. Whatever is available, based on that you can buy. But you can buy the cloth. Go to the tailor. Based on requirements, you can stitch the shirt. That is called as what it is, FBV. And then nowadays, no tailoring, nothing. 15-20 years back, everyone buy the cloth, 1.5 meter, 1 meter, go to the tailor, give the measurement, then only you can stitch the shirt. Now, once everyone go to the shop, ready-made shirts we have to buy. So, ready-made shirt is CBV. Whatever available showroom, you can buy. But instead of that, if you go to the tailor, based on your requirement, you have to do that is called as FBV. And simple in your HTML classes, CSS and Bootstrap. In these two, which is CBV, which is FBV? Bootstrap is CB. Whatever is there, just you can use. Can CSS you can do anything. That is FBV. So atla KFC image our own. KFC is the CBV, our own preparation FBV. Ready-made shirt CBV. Cloth tailor FBV. CSS FBV. Bootstrap CBVs. So 90% we are using CBV. If anything is not possible, then we go with FBVs. First one. FBVs are old, whereas CBVs are new. CBVs are introduced in Django 1.3 version. To implement generic views. Very, very easy to use when compared with FBVs. The most commonly used type of views in real time is CBVs. But compared with CBV, FBV is the most powerful. When compared with CBVs. If you are unable to handle with CBVs, then only we have to go for FBVs. Meant for common requirement. Read data from employee table, CBVs, complex operation over employee and customer tables simultaneously, then CBV is not suitable, compulsory FBVs. Just like CBV, if we are preparing on our own, it is nothing but FBV. Now, small example. I want to send some response to the end user by using CBV. So create the project, application, settings. Normal HTTP response in starting in FBBs, how we are sending HTTP response, same only. Stop the server, clear, go back, come to here. Django hyphen admin start project CBV project CD CBV project py manage.py start app test app done. Go to starting ABC CBV. Go to the settings. Install apps lo just I want to add test app. Close all these. Just to define one view ante. But in this view, you have to mention which view class. Class name up to now we are given function def class. My class name is hello world. This is our class. But there is one predefined parent class is there. That class name is view from Django dot Django is going to dot views import. The class name is view. View is the parent class. Your class is child class. Inheritance. Internally method. What is the method name? Method name. Any name can I give M1? No, because whenever is a parent class, what is your request? Get request, post request, you have to delete, insert, update. General how to send the request? Enter URL from here. So general enter URL, clicking on enter button. Is it a get request or post request? Get request. So your method should be get method. Get get method first argument what it is always self comma second one request. What is your request? I want to send the response. Normal HTTP response you can send first program from Django dot HTTP import. Our first program na HTTP response same story. This is the class. Create object return HTTP response parenthesis. Inside string just your h1 slash h1 you can close. Internally content. This response is from class based view. Ade code. So class is child class is hello world view. View is the parent class compulsory. Get is the predefined method based on request. Get a post a put to patch delete head post methods are there. దీనికి ఒక URL. Go to URL. URL ఏదో URL anything you can give. Hello. Views dot. What is the view name? Hello world view. Previous cases direct it is a function. Views dot Java viewer, home viewer, login view page that function. But what it is hello world view? Class. It is a class. Within the class method is that the method is get method. But direct if I can call the class not executed. This class internally converted to as underscore view. Then this class based view is also converted to the function based. But where this is available views from test app import views. Now start the server. If any errors are there, it will be displayed. No, this is the URL pattern. I am entering URL in the browser and my URL pattern is hello. Once clicking on this, it is a get method. Automatically, Vue is calling that get method internally. And this response is from class based view. That's why I'm using get method. Our own methods we are not using. That's why I'm telling everything should be predefined. And if I want to submit one form post, then I can use post. If I want to delete employee record, call the delete method. If I want to update, call the patch method. Allow every 5 methods are there. Get, post, put, patch, delete. First method, get method, we are overriding. Then I am getting the response. This is called as class based view. First, create the project. Django-admin, start project. App, add application, settings.py. One view, one URL bus. The view is, this is the view. First project, next application, add application settings.py. Class hello view. Inside class is parent class. Get is the predefined method. Based on request, you have to send. So here, this concept is called as overriding. Get is the parent class method. I am overriding into the child class. I have to write my own implementation. URL వచ్చేసరికి path hello comma views dot hello world view as underscore view. So a simple class, a method, HTTP response, one URL. Note the first one is while defining class based view, we have to extend view class compulsory, because in that class get method is there. Second, to provide response get request, Django will always call get method. Hence, we have to override this method in our view class. Similarly, some other HTTP methods are there. In REST API, we are using these methods: post, put, patch, delete. Methods are there. Based on requirement, we have to override corresponding method. Present get request kabatti I am overriding get method. While defining the URL pattern, you have to use as underscore view method with three rules: extending the view class, override the get method, URL pattern as underscore view. Then class based view internally converted to function based view. But how to provide template? మామూలుగా ఫస్ట్ ఇన్ ఫంక్షన్ ఆల్సో వీఆర్ రిటర్న్ సేమ్ HTTP రెస్పాన్స్. ఇక్కడ ఐఎమ్ కంబైనింగ్ ద పైథాన్ కోడ్ అండ్ HTML code. In our function based view also I can separated template file. Here how to provided template based application. Same this h1 tag you can define to your HTML file. Okay, process same. For example, CBV lone create, right click, folder. What is the folder name? Templates. Inside templates, folder, test app. Inside test app, one HTML file, results.html. HTML code I have to return. Settings low, story everything same. Template underscore dir equal to base dir slash templates. This template dir you can give into the common. Now, just in the HTML file, I'm not writing anything, just one h1 tag. Now I'm telling, hello, this response from template based CBV. Bus. The template file result.html. This file how to send it to here? What is the process? Normally, function based with def define one function template underscore view inside one method inside return render http request template file you have to provide it. Okay, class template based cbv. What is the parent class? Hmm? View కాదు, now template కాబట్టి here from Django dot views dot generic import. The class name is template view. This is the parent class. Give this class. How to send means there is one predefined variable is name template name. Where is our template? Test app slash results.html. Done. Only one line code. Child class, parent class, template name is the fixed variable. What is your template name? This is the template name. దీనికి define one URL. Code completed. ఇది template view. Template CBV. Name is this is the parent class template view. Results.html. Just one line of the code. Heading 1. Just body. URLs లో ఒక URL. So template class based views very simple. వచ్చింది. Sure. Next, tomorrow we will see this class-based views. Bye everyone. Tomorrow we will continue.